Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a really quick video on how to make pickled onions. Pickled onions are incredibly easy to make. It is great to have on hand in the fridge to add to your salad, sandwiches, hamburgers, tacos, just to name a few. If you're new to my channel, welcome. For all those who are returning, welcome back. To see how I make these pickled onions, keep on watching. You will need just a few ingredients to make this pickled onion. I have here one medium-sized purple onion, some apple cider vinegar. You will also need the juice of one lemon, some maple syrup, salt, and some hot boiling water. If you haven't got maple syrup, you could substitute that with honey or some sugar. I will leave a list of the ingredients down below in the description bar. Peel and thinly slice the purple onions, then transfer the sliced onion into an airtight container that has a tight fitting lid. You can also use a mason jar if you have one. Add all the other ingredients, then pour the boiling hot water over it. Give that a good mix to ensure all the onions covered in the liquid. Let that sit for at least 30 minutes or longer if you have the time, as the longer it soaks, the sweeter it tastes. Once it's cooled, you can store that in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Once your pickled onions are ready, you could add that to your sandwiches, your salads, or any of your favorite dish. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so you will not miss out on my next upload. Until next time, bye guys.